Welcome to Next Series, The Rise of Japan's Automotive Empire, Episode 9, Solid-State Batteries. Japan's last hope. The world is going electric fast, and Japan is losing the race. But deep inside secret labs, a technology is being perfected that could change everything. Solid-state batteries. If Japan succeeds, they won't just catch up. They'll dominate the future of mobility. Japan once led the world in automotive innovation. Hybrids, Kai cars, the Toyota production system, and unmatched reliability. But in the shift to electric vehicles, something changed. China surged ahead with massive EV production. The United States, led by Tesla, became a global force. Even South Korea climbed the ranks. Japan, still cautious, still slow, still waiting. But beneath this apparent silence, something extraordinary has been happening. In the labs of Toyota, Nissan, Panasonic, and major Japanese universities, teams of engineers have been working on a breakthrough so advanced that many believe it could reset the entire EV race. Solid-state batteries, the technology that could make gasoline engines truly obsolete. Why solid-state batteries matter? Traditional lithium-ion batteries use a liquid electrolyte. That liquid is flammable, limits charging speeds, shortens battery life, and requires complex cooling systems. This is why EVs still have long charging times, heavy battery packs, and sometimes fire risks. Now imagine a battery that charges in 10 minutes, offers double the range, works safely in extreme heat or cold, lasts twice as long, and is lighter, smaller, and far more stable. That is the promise of solid-state. Instead of a liquid electrolyte, they use a solid ceramic or polymer conductor. The result, a battery that behaves more like a supercap, fast, stable, and incredibly endurance. If Japan brings this technology to mass production before anyone else, the EV industry flips overnight. Japan's hidden struggle, falling behind in the EV race for decades. Japan succeeded by perfecting the internal combustion engine and hybrid systems. The Prius alone reshaped global eco-transport, but electric vehicles required a different mindset. Faster risk-taking, huge capital investment, bold market execution. Japan's conservative corporate culture didn't move fast enough. Meanwhile, China built the world's largest battery ecosystem. The US created software-heavy EVs. Europe enforced strict emission laws, pushing EV adoption. Japan woke up late. But when they did, they placed a massive bet. Solid-state. Toyota's moonshot. Toyota has invested billions into solid-state research. Their message is simple. Lithium-ion won the battle. Solid-state will win the war. Toyota claims it has developed prototypes with 745 miles, 1,200 kilometers range, 10-minute fast charging, 50% weight reduction. They plan to release hybrid solid-state cars by 2027-2028, followed by full EVs. If they deliver, Toyota could leapfrog Tesla, BYD, Hyundai, and every major player. Nissan and Panasonic. The quiet fighters. Nissan, once an EV pioneer with the Leaf, lost momentum over the last decade, but they're not done. Nissan announced that solid-state powered EVs will be in production by 2028. Panasonic, a battery giant, is developing high-energy solid-state cells aimed at mass manufacturing, while the United States focuses on fast scaling, and China focuses on cheap mass production. Japan is focusing on precision and safety. It's the same philosophy that built the Toyota production system, Walkmans, camera sensors, and early hybrids. The challenges: solid-state batteries aren't easy. Manufacturing is difficult, material stability is complex, dendrite formation still occurs, scaling is extremely expensive. For years, these issues made solid-state the technology of the future, and always will be. But in the last 3 years, Japanese labs have started to solve these problems. This is why automakers worldwide are watching Japan closely. Why this is Japan's last hope. If Japan loses the battery race, they lose automotive dominance, manufacturing leadership, energy independence, global influence. But if solid-state succeeds, EVs become lighter, safer, and far cheaper. Range anxiety disappears. Japan becomes the world's battery king. The EV landscape resets at zero. This is not just a technological race. For Japan, it's survival. Motivational finish. Every nation faces a moment when the future demands courage, not caution. Japan's engineers, once dismissed as too slow for the EV world, are now building a breakthrough that could change transportation forever. It's a reminder to all of us. Your biggest comeback often begins when the world thinks you're finished. So what about you? Is there an idea you've been holding back, a dream you almost gave up on? But deep inside, you know it could change everything. If Japan can rise again, so can you. Would you like more episodes? Like, share, and subscribe to support the series.